Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off email forwarding in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you to the Microsoft Outlook web app where you can access your email and manage all your account settings. Once the page loads, log into your account using your credentials if you haven't already. After your inbox loads and you can see your emails, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon located there, which represents your Outlook settings. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to open the settings menu. This is where you'll be able to control various aspects of your email account, including forwarding rules, notifications, and other preferences. Once the settings window appears on your screen, take a look at the left side panel. You'll see several different tabs and categories for organizing your settings. From these options, click on the Mail tab. This section contains all the settings related to how your email functions, including message handling, layout preferences, and forwarding options. Clicking on Mail will expand the menu and reveal additional subcategories. Now, within the Mail settings, scroll through the available options until you find Forwarding. Click on it to access the email forwarding configuration. This is where Outlook lets you control whether your incoming messages are automatically sent to another email address. Once you open the forwarding section, you'll prominently see a toggle button that enables or disables email forwarding for your account. This toggle is the main control for the forwarding feature, and it's usually clearly labeled so you can easily identify it. To turn off email forwarding, simply click on the toggle button. When you do this, the forwarding feature will be disabled, meaning your emails will no longer be automatically sent to any external address you may have previously set up. This is useful if you no longer need messages redirected or if you want to ensure all your emails stay in your primary Outlook inbox. After you've toggled off the email forwarding option, look toward the bottom right part of the settings window. You'll see a Save button there. Click on it to confirm and retain the changes you just made. This step is crucial because without saving, your settings won't be applied and email forwarding might remain active. Give it a moment while Outlook processes and applies your new configuration, and that's it. You've successfully turned off email forwarding in Outlook, ensuring your messages stay in your main inbox. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.